denied. When a girl walks in with an anybody wasting around thing in your face, you can't spell. What more fuck? Did you notice that bump was stuck? Deep with the jeans she's wearing. Well, I'm hooked and I can't stop staring. Oh baby, I wanna get rich up and take your picture. My homeboy tried to warn me, but what you got? That's what I'm scared. Wanna get my bands, and you ain't that ever got me. Well, I've seen them dancing, chill with romancing. She's wet, gonna go like a turbo vet. I'm tired of magazines, see if I put other thing. To the average black man asking that, she gotta pack what's back. Oh, fellas,
oh boy. Dude, but his last fight against Pulver, like, dude, he's in good shape, and I really think he's mentally recommitted himself, and he is a freaking badass when it comes to skill. Like, I think the only reason he's lost any fight ever is just because of lack of desire. I mean, he's freaking Polynesian. I mean, if he didn't have to tie his shoelaces, he wouldn't. I mean,
BJ Penn versus Joe Daddy Stevenson has potential to be fight of the night. BJ Penn is about to fight Joe Daddy Stevenson, and he isn't even talking about him. He's still talking about Sean Sherk. BJ Penn has uber sick jiu-jitsu, where Joe Daddy Stevenson is a fantastic family man who needs this fight for his family. This is going to be a war.
Cage Monkey predictions. BJ Penn. 4. Joe Stevenson. 1. 4-1.
Gabriel Gonzaga looks like they caught a silverback gorilla, tamed it, shaved it, and then put it in fight shorts.
Gabriel Gonzaga versus Fabricio Verdum. Gabriel beat the crap out of Cro Cop. Verdum is coming in to avenge his training partner. I see this fight being the exact same as Cro Cop.
Gabriel Gonzaga. 4. Fabricio Verdum. 1.
Jorge Rivera, Kendall Grove, this is a real exciting fight for several reasons. First of all, Kendall Grove, I think he's kind of had a bad rap in his last, well, including this one, his last 2 fights. The last one he fought Patrick Cote. Patrick Cote had to basically step up or get out. If he would have lost that fight, his career at the UFC would have been done for some time until he could prove himself back in, and I don't think anybody could have possibly beat him that night. On the same hand, Jorge Rivera, I mean, we all know he's an amazing fighter, but I mean, he got caught by Chris Lieben. I mean, Chris Lieben's an awesome fighter, but I really don't. I don't see that happening again if that fight happened again. I think Chris even knows that.
Jorge Rivera. I'm not going. 1. Kendall Grove via Darce choke. 4-1. That's not 4-1s.
Dude, Chuck Liddell versus Chuck Norris.
That's
a good fight. Chuck Norris versus Chuck Liddell.
That's like the sun versus a black hole. There's no easy way to tell. I mean, how do you know which one's powerful? Black holes bend light. The sun just puts it out. Jess Leoden. Body. Marcus Davis. 4-1 as well. Wilson Govea. I'm going to go with Govea. 1 versus Jason Lambert. And then a draw. 3-1 and a draw. 3-1 and 1.
There should be Chuck Liddell jokes instead of Chuck Norris jokes. Or Chuck Liddell jokes that like rival Chuck Norris jokes. You know, if Chuck Norris pees in a can, you can do like a Red Bull. You know, something that would like counter that. Well, if Chuck Liddell pees in a can,
you have to be Rockstar because of his sponsorship contracts.
It would be Zions, and you'd get really
Yeah, you
good.
Oh yeah, Zions now. I forget these things.
Zions, yeah. He pees Zions.
Cran Raz, which is sugar-free and delicious.
It is-
I don't know if
it is
you've
good.
had, dude. We aren't
What
even
does he-
sponsored by
Chuck
Diets.
has some delicious pee on tap, dude.